Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new emote, take a photo emote in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new emote, the take photo emote, and you can get this emote from NPC Annie. So just go meet her and then talk to her, and then just tap on store, and then just tap on friendship store, and then in here just choose the take a photo or shoot emotes. This one, just click on it, and these emotes or these actions, it's free, it's totally free, so you can just get it very easy. And then next, just tap on purchase to get this emote like this, and just like that you can use this emote anytime. Just tap on the emote icon and then tap on actions, and then just choose the shoot or take photo like this. You can see it like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.